Okay, question 1. Which of the following best demonstrate an effective application of Habsburg's two-factor theory in improving employees' motivation? A. Rising salaries to improve hygiene factors. B. Reassigning work to reduce boredom. C. Enforcing punctuality policies. D. Reducing the number of work days. The answer for this question is B. Reassigning work to reduce boredom. Question number 2. A manager noticed that productivity drops every Friday afternoon. Which motivational theory can the manager apply to improve performance? A manager noticed that productivity drops every Friday afternoon. Which motivational theory can the manager apply to improve performance? A. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. B. Theory X and theory Y. C. Expectancy theory. D. Equity theory. The answer for this question is C. Expectancy theory. Question number 3. An HR manager introduced flexible work hour. Which organizational behavior concept is being applied? A. Job enlargement. B. Job enrichment. C. Organizational structure. D. Work-life balance. The answer for this question is D. Work-life balance. Question number 4. A company decides to decentralize decision making. What is the most likely organizational behavior implication? A. Increased job specialization. B. Enhanced employee autonomy. C. Reducing communication needs. D. Centralized authority. The answer for this question is B. Enhanced employees autonomy. Question number 5. If a company uses a structured interview method, what specific of HR planning is it applying? A. Recruitment. B. Training. C. Selection. D. Job analysis. The answer for this question is C. Selection. Question number 6. Why might its transformational leadership style be more effective during organizational change than transactional leadership? A. It focuses on maintaining the status quo. B. It encourages adaptive behavior. C. It avoids personal relationships. D. It rewards specific tasks. The answer for this question is B. It encourages adaptive behavior. Question number 7. What differentiates a job description from a job specification in terms of HR planning? A. One includes duties, the other includes performance evaluation. B. Description lists duties, specification lists qualifications. C. Both are identical in content. D. The specification outlines company benefits. The answer for this question is B. Description lists duties, specification lists qualifications. Question number 8. An employee believes their output is not equally rewarded compared to a college. Which theory best explains this situation? A. Maslow's theory. B. Expectancy theory. C. Equity theory. D. Goal setting theory. Since the comparison is among colleges, the answer is C. Equity theory. Question number 9. What does the comparison between internal and external recruitment strategy reveal about organizational culture? A. External is always cheaper. B. Internal hinders innovation. C. Internal promotes loyalty and continuity. D. External promotes fairness. The answer for this question is C. Internal promotes loyalty and continuity. Question number 10. In a team conflict, one member accommodates all others to maintain harmony. What conflict handling style is this? A. Competing. B. Avoiding. C. Accommodating. D. Collaborating. The answer for this question is C. Accommodating. Question number 11. Which of the following best justify using behavior interview method in selection process? A. It is less time consuming. B. It helps access to past behavior for future prediction. C. It evaluates IQ more effectively. D. It guarantees hearing success. The answer for this question is B. It helps to assess past behavior for future prediction. Question number 12. Which strategy would you recommend to improve employee performance based on Vroom's expectancy theory? A. Standardize the reward system. B. Provide irrelevant purpose. C. Align individual goals with organizational rewards. D. Eliminate performance-based incentives. The answer for this question is C. Align individual goals with organizational rewards. Question number 13. Which approach is most effective for evaluating training programs in result-oriented organization? A. Measuring participant satisfaction only. B. Assessing organizational impact post training. C. Counting attendance. D. Administrating per training quiz. The answer for this question is B. Assessing organizational impact post training. Question number 14. Which compensation strategy best support a high involvement organizational culture? A. Time-based wage. B. Pace rate system. C. Skill-based pay. D. Minimum wage system. The answer for this question is C. Skill-based pay. Question number 15. In a rapidly growing organization, which organizational structure would be least effective? A. Functional. B. Divisional. C. Matrix. D. Highly centered or highly centralized? The answer for this question is D. Highly centralized. Question number 16. Design a reward system to reduce employees' turnover in a tech company. Which component is essential? A. Delayed bonus. B. Recognition for innovation. C. Strict promotional ladders. Uniform salary. The answer for this question is B. Recognition for innovation. Question number 17. If you were to develop a new employee orientation program, which element would most enhance organizational socialization? A. Legal compliance training only. B. Introduction to organizational values and culture. C. Payroll procedure training. D. Job satisfy rule. The answer for this question is B. Introduction to organizational values and culture. B. Introduction to organizational values and culture. Question number 18. Creating a strategy for conflict resolution in a cross-functional team, which should be prioritized. A. Establishing team hierarchy. B. Encouraging open communication. C. Ignoring role differences. D. Increasing team size. The answer for this question is B. Encouraging open communication. Question number 19. Design a leadership development program for middle-level managers. Which component should be included to foster strategic thinking? A. Written management reporting. B. Exposure to external consultants. C. Monitoring by executives. D. Training on daily operations. The answer for this question is C. Monitoring by executives. Question number 20. Develop a job enrichment plan for customer service staff. Which tasks should be added? A. Tasking written course. B. Following scripts only. C. Solving customer issues independently. Logging out precisely. The answer for this question is C. Solving customer issues independently. Question number 21. You are advising a startup on their recruitment strategy. Which balance should they strike between person job fit and person organization fit? A. Focuses solely on technical skills. B. Prioritize organizational culture fit in early stage. C. Ignore both in favor of availability. We use only unstructured interviews. The answer for this question is B. Prioritize organizational culture fit in early stage. Question number 22. An HR team wants to redesign its performance appraisal process. What criteria would be most effective to include? A. Seniority. B. Peer review and goal achievement. C. Length of service. D. Departmental budget. The answer for this question is B. Peer review and goal achievement. Peer review and goal achievement. Question number 23. A company wants to shift from a mechanistic to an organic structure. Which challenge should management anticipate? A. Resistance to decentralization. B. Increase in formal rules. C. Need for strict job descriptions. D. Reduced need for communication. The answer for this question is A. Resistance to decentralization. Question number 24. A manager observes that some employees work only when they are watched. What leadership theory explains this? A. Pass goal theory. B. Theory X. C. Situational leadership. D. Transformational leadership. The answer for this question is B. Theory X. Question number 25. Evaluate the effectiveness of job rotation as a training technique. Which advantage is most relevant for employees' development? A. Minimizes training costs. B. Reduce boredom and broadness skills. C. Encourage absenteeism. D. Discourage specialization. The answer for this question is B. Reduces boredom and broadens skills. This is all about question and answer on Team 2. Thank you viewers for attending this channel.